Hi everyone, it's Margaret from Margaret After Hours. I just want to do a quick video real quick and show you how you can make biscuits with real mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise will make you the best biscuits, and they're drop biscuits. So I'm going to set my phone up and I'll show you how we're going to do it. Okay, we have 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1/3 cup of Hellmann's real mayonnaise. All you do is you put this, which is actually about 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise this size, to 2 cups. If you want a bigger batch of biscuits, you will add another thing of flour, and then milk. I have whole milk. You can use 2% if you wish. I'm starting out. Okay, that's a 1/2 cup because I had 1.5 cups in there. Just going to stir it together. And I have some butter in a skillet in the oven. Cast iron skillet getting hot. Okay, so far we've used 3/4 cup of milk. You just want to make it so it is a consistency that's going to drop off your spoon, and that is it. And I do believe that's going to work.
Secret sandwich,
Love you. My grandson's leaving. He's going to play basketball. Okay, see that? That's it. Perfect. Probably. That's it. And this is a serving spoon, so perfect size. So I had 1.5 cups of milk in here. It's now at 3/4, so we use 3/4 cup of milk to 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of real Hellmann's mayonnaise. Any mayonnaise will do. I'm going to pour that back in the milk jug here in a minute. All we're waiting on now is for the skillet to come out hot melted butter. Which we do. We've got it right here. Hot melted butter, and that's probably 3 tablespoons of butter in there. I'm going to show you an easy trick. This is an easy trick to, I hope that little glass is big enough. But you clear your spoon off. I'm clearing my spoon off. I'm going to dip the spoon in a cup of water. And I'm going to get a rounded spoonful on my spoon. And it drops right on there. Dip it in the water. Rounded spoonful. Drop it in there. Water. Rounded spoonful. Drop it in there. And just repeating this process till you fill your skillet up. That's a little bit bigger one. We're going to go to the center with that. Go. I actually absolutely love the taste of these biscuits. And I've never been a mayonnaise person, but these just have the best flavor. Okay, one very last one. Right there. And I have my oven set on 425. And we will see how long it takes. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. It took, on the oven was 425 degrees. It took about 15 minutes. They're a little bit darker than I normally do, but I stepped out of the room when I shouldn't have. I'm going to show you. They have a nice crispy bottom. And this is a bad habit. I use my stick of butter that I cut off of to butter my biscuits. And I'll cut that little piece off. Okay, let me get woo. See that? And they're so moist on the inside. Off. Put me a nice hot piece in there. These are the best biscuits. Nice and fluffy. The taste. I love the taste. Okay. I've had to bake these real quick to go with our dinner that we cooked. I just wanted to show you the biscuits. Have a good evening.